Okay, looking much at this engine, the issue, there is one cylinder number 2 is the weakest, that I know. The idle control valve had to be readjusted because idle speed was too high. Now at this point I wanted to see the fuel distributor. What I want to see here is I want to see how even fuel rises, because if there is wrong metering here, then we're gonna have a problem. Now supposedly this unit was sent to be rebuilt, so let's take a look. Let's jump to fuel pump. Immediately when pressure rises, that's already a good sign. No fuel seems to be coming up channels that much, except for this one, slight rising. This one, yeah. Well, let's open the plate slightly. So this channel right here fills up fastest. It's supposed to fill in evenly, but apparently I absolutely not liking this. Absolutely not. My problem here is that it appears that the cylinder in question is not getting enough fuel, because by depressing the plate I have more fuel leaving this port right here than the last port in question. Yes, this port fills up less. This one fills up most. So it seems like there is a metering problem here. Yeah, this one just like goes the fastest. These two, they seem to go real quick, but out of this port, the one that is in question, barely any fuel rises. So I do have a problem with this unit here. Yeah, I definitely have an issue here with it. Okay, now this is my fuel distributor. I know it works. It works actually very good because I use it for my tests. Alright, let's do the same test. Let's do the same test with fuel rising. Let's just equalize the pressure. Now, cold start valve on my piece is disconnected because I don't really need it. Now I do have a little bit of a leak here because this pipe is difficult to tighten, and I don't want to over tighten it because I will probably have to remove my fuel distributor anyway. Alright, so let's take a look. As you can see here, all ports fill up with the same rate. One more time. As you can see, every single port fills up at the same rate. So that fuel distributor is not good. It's probably not calibrated correctly. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to connect all these fuel injectors. We'll run the car with this fuel distributor and see how engine performs. Okay, now I'm gonna go and start this engine. Fuel lines are attached, EHA valves plugged in. No cold start, I don't need it right now. So it obviously probably won't start right away, so I will have to crank it for a little bit longer. It will misfire, but it is what it is. That's how it's done. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Not good. This fuel distributor was in the other vehicle. Actually, it was in the another CIS car, so it's not set up properly by any means. So let me go jump it. Try to do a few things. Okay. Air pump. And the air pump. Now that is a good running M117 right now. Yeah, look at beautiful. Now look at that thing. This is nice. Obviously a humongous improvement. Okay, so I'm gonna let it run like this. Let everything burn out from the inside. I'm gonna warm it up to operational temperature. I want to see the duty cycle, if I can get it to be. This is eyeballing. Again, this is just preliminary. This is not final, because my agenda was to get it running smooth. The rest is not my kind of agenda, because this car came specifically for a certain job, and this is what I'm here for.